Hey everyone! If you've ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel but didn't know where to begin, don't worry, I got you. Today, I'm gonna break it down step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll be ready to hit publish on your very first video. Let's get started. Alright, first things first, you need a Google account. If you already have one, great. If not, head over to Google and create one. Now go to YouTube, sign in, and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. You'll see an option called Create a Channel. Click that. Now here's the fun part, choosing a name. Your channel name should be catchy, memorable, and relevant to your content. Are you making gaming videos, tech reviews, vlogs? Think of something that represents your brand. Once your channel is created, let's make it look professional. Click on Customize Channel. Upload a profile picture. This could be your logo or a cool photo of yourself. Add a banner. This is like your channel's cover photo, so make it visually appealing and informative. Write a compelling channel description. Tell viewers what your channel is about and why they should subscribe. Now, before you hit record, take a moment to plan your content. Ask yourself, what's your niche? Gaming, beauty, education, comedy. Who is your target audience? What kind of videos do you enjoy making? Make a content plan. Trust me, consistency is key on YouTube, so having a schedule, whether it's one video a week or 3 a month, will help you stay on track. Now comes the exciting part, filming your first video. Don't stress about having expensive equipment. A smartphone with good lighting is enough to start. Here are some basic tips. Good lighting makes a huge difference. Natural light or a ring light works great. Clear audio is crucial. Use an external mic if possible, but even a quiet room helps. Engage your audience. Be yourself, speak confidently, and have fun. Edit your video using free tools like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or iMovie. Keep it simple. Cut out mistakes, add some background music, and you're good to go. Now, let's upload that masterpiece. Click on the Upload button and select your video file. Write an eye-catching title. This is what makes people click. Create a detailed description with relevant keywords. Add tags and a thumbnail. A custom thumbnail makes a huge difference in getting views. Don't forget to share on social media to get your first viewers. Alright, you've uploaded your first video. Now what? Growth takes time, but here's how you can speed it up. Be consistent, stick to your upload schedule. Engage with your audience, reply to comments and ask questions. Collaborate with other YouTubers, team up with creators in your niche. Learn YouTube SEO. Use keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags to rank higher in search results. And that's it. You're now officially a YouTuber. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy the process and keep learning. So, what's stopping you? Go create your channel, upload your first video, and drop a comment below when you do. I'd love to check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome content. See you in the next one. Peace.